Today, we're going to learn about two very special phrases. There's are, there are. Can you say them with me? There's are, there are. There's are is a short way of saying there is are. We use there's are when we want to talk about one thing that is around us. The dog is near us, so we say, there's a dog. Can you say it with me? There's a dog. Let's practice. There's a cookie on the table. Can you say it with me? There's a cookie on the table. We use there are when we want to talk about many things that are around us. The dogs are near us, so we say, there are dogs. Don't forget the plural noun. Can you say it with me? There are dogs. Let's practice. There are cookies on the table. Practice time. I can say, there's a cute cat. What can you say? Think of something in your room or outside. Wow, those are great sentences. You all are superstars. Fantastic work today. You learned how to say there's and there are. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.